Okay, now I want to go to an Indian grocery store. Here we have very many Indians. Just like in Kenya, the way they like eating spicy foods, it's the same way here. They have all manner of spices. But what I want to buy today is garlic and ginger. I want to make a concoction. That can help fight against flu and many other things. I hear they help fight flu. So I'm not a doctor, so don't listen to me. I'm going to buy that concoction. So I'm going to an Indian grocery store. It's not very far from where I live. Yeah, but here we have everything, including sweet potatoes. In fact, if I find those sweet potatoes and even arrowroots, doma, yams, I'll buy them, because here there is nothing you can't get. Let's see what is there. So let's see. Get those things now. Did I carry my driver's license? Yes. My credit card is there. I like using credit cards because it takes almost like 2 months before I pay the bill, depending on what time I bought my items. I mean, what time the card was charged, the items, and then some good credit card issuers or owners pay you some percentage, maybe 1% of the money that you have spent comes back to you. Others will pay you 1.5, others 2%, others 3%, 4%, that way. Yeah, getting some kind of allergy. I don't know what it is. But it's because spring season is starting. As the flowers start coming out. Oh, I'm sneezing. Why? I've sneezed. Why did I sneeze? No. Why did I sneeze now? I've just come from the airport. I don't know whether that one has a bearing on how I'm sneezing. But I have arrived in the Indian store. It's called Indian grocery store. It's this one. I'm sure you are going to see. I hope I can turn in a way that you are going to read it. If you read it now, you can see Indian grocery store. Yeah. Indian grocery store. I'm going to park my car here to be the first car here. Yeah. Okay. Let me go to the store now. Later I'll record what I have bought from them. Thank you.